release Nnamdi Kanu as Christmas and New Year gift to Igbo people. The United Igbo Elders Council, UNIEC, worldwide, have appealed to President Bola Tinubu to release the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, as Christmas and New Year gift to Ndigbo. UNIEC also said that Mazi Kanu's release will be a monumental achievement for the Tinubu-led administration and a Christmas gift to Ndigbo that will foster healing, unity, and peace across the southeast and the nation at large. The Igbo elders also disclosed that they have, because of the continued detention of Mazi Kanu, postponed their Igbo Achievers Legacy Award, scheduled to hold this December, to April 2025. A statement signed by UNIEC Director General, His Lordship Justice Alpha Ikpema, and the Director Media and Publicity Prof. Obasi Igwe, said the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu represents a crucial step toward rebuilding trust and collaboration between the Southeast and the federal government. It therefore declared that it is totally in solidarity and support of the ongoing dialogue and calls by all the Igbo groups and individuals for the release of Mazi Kanu, adding that it will serve as a symbolic gesture of goodwill and reignite the spirit of inclusiveness and enhance the dialogue necessary for resolving pressing regional and national challenges. UNIEC's statement read, "In light of the recent assurances from the Deputy Speaker of the House of Representatives, RT, Honorable Benjamin Kalu, regarding the imminent release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the United Igbo Elders Council, UNIEC, extends its full support to this noble cause. UNIEC commends the ongoing high-level dialogues and reiterates its appeal to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu GCFR to act decisively by facilitating Kanu's release. Such an act will not only be a monumental achievement for the Tinubu administration, but also serve as the best Christmas gift to Ndigbo, fostering healing, unity and peace across the Southeast and the nation at large. The release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu represents a crucial step toward rebuilding trust and collaboration between the Southeast and the federal government. It will serve as a symbolic gesture of goodwill. It will reignite the spirit of inclusivity and enhance the dialogue necessary for resolving pressing regional and national challenges. In solidarity with this cause, UNIEC hereby announces the postponement of its highly anticipated Legacy Awards, initially scheduled for December 2024 to April 2025. This decision reflects our unwavering commitment to the plight of Ndigbo and our belief that true celebrations can only occur when justice and equity prevail. We commend the efforts of Southeast leaders, including the Deputy Speaker, for their dedication to championing this cause. We also urge all stakeholders, political leaders and well-meaning Nigerians to intensify their efforts and prayers toward ensuring Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's freedom. We applaud President Tinubu for his proactive approach to fostering peace and development across Nigeria. We believe that granting Kanu freedom will underscore the President's commitment to national reconciliation and strengthen his legacy as a unifier and statesman. We also urge all stakeholders to work together towards restoring hope, unity and joy to the Southeast and to Nigeria as a whole. Stay tuned. Cry to each other. Cry to each other. Apatane